Hello, my name is Ángela María Toro. I am a student at the UNAD Dos Quebradas. It seems that today it has served to facilitate many of humanity's daily activities that demand a lot of time and effort. This is a good thing if we talk about productivity issues. But what about the environment? Our planet is being flooded with more garbage. We are generating more pollution as members of a consumer system, where we simply discard products and replace them in an accelerated manner. However, not everything is bad. There are technological developments that go in the same direction on environmental care and climate change. I only hope the organization and foundation will contribute by generating risk warning to governments. If we do not control the excessive use of technology and the contrary, encourage the development of new technologies that are friendly to the environment. You just have to think, what happens if we do nothing? I think we have time to do something different. If current tendencies continue, they will definitely have an impact on the environment, and it is important to control it. It becomes necessary to create a culture of responsible consumption, since when we buy a new appliance, for example, we are generating waste, both the packaging of that product and the one we are replacing that will also become waste. And if we take into account the natural resources used to manufacture that product, it is even more complex. In some developed countries, there is a culture of intelligent and responsible supply, as well as a culture of recycling and reusing products. This will help a lot in the preservation of the environment, and as a result will help to stop global warming. It is necessary that governments, under the supervision of the United Nations, promote laws that favor companies that go in the same direction of environmental care, like reducing tariffs for the purchase of electric cars, financing projects for the generation of solar energy in homes, fortifying the culture of recycling and reuse, incentivizing development centers to create technological solutions that help slow down the advance of climate change, and from school to give class on environmental care. Also, implement strong sanctions to those who pollute, cut down trees, do not comply with government's measures. From me, you can be sure that I will take the necessary measures to help slow down climate change. Thank you.